Remove the 6 T3 screws from the flexure. Use tweezers to remove the flexure from the top case. Set the flexure aside. Open the display and stand the computer assembly on its side. With a hand on each side of the top case, support the Touch ID board as you thread the flex cable through the slot. Remove the Touch ID board from the keyboard side of the top case. If you're installing a replacement Touch ID board, peel the protective film off the glass surface. Thread the flex cable through the slot in the top case. Hold the Touch ID button in place and turn the interior of the unit to you. On the other side of the top case, place the flexure so the keyed side fits the Touch ID cable. Install the 4 corner screws in the flexure. Partially install the 2 middle screws. Place the computer upright on the table. Make sure the cable is not pinched under the housing. Insert the 3 tabs of the Touch ID alignment tool into the Touch ID bay. Gently hold the Touch ID alignment tool in place and stand the computer on its side. Position the Edge Guide tool so the lower end is touching the Touch ID button. Make sure not to press the alignment tool. Lightly press down on the Edge Guide tool while fully installing the 2 middle screws in the flexure. Remove the alignment tool. Place the computer upright on the table. Then, visually inspect all 4 sides of the Touch ID button. If the sides show unequal gaps, repeat the steps with the Edge Guide and alignment tool. Press the Touch ID button to verify that it clicks. If the button does not move or moves but does not click, refer to the service guide to replace the Touch ID shim.